very proud. Very proud.
I'm here for my older sister.
And how are you feeling right now?
I'm proud of her.
I'd like to welcome you to the 22nd Annual Citation of Honor ceremony. A special thanks to the teachers, students, parents that are joining us today.
We honor all these wonderful students for your hard accomplishments and the work that you do. And also to the parents as well as to the teachers that work hard with the students to make them here today. So thank you so much and enjoy our program.
I believe the children are the future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be.
This is my favorite day. 22 years ago, a wonderful school coordinator named Jerome Parker came to my office shortly after I had the privilege of being elected and suggested this program. And the basis for his suggestion was, we read and hear about so many bad kids. Isn't it past time we start to honor good kids? And that was the genesis of Progress Through Justice. That wonderful song, sung so beautifully by Jessica Jones, is sort of an anthem for this program. It honors children. And I guess with 5 children of my own and 16 grandchildren, I know something about children. And the thing that has always impressed me as district attorney is that I never met a bad little kid. And I have felt it to be my obligation to make sure that little kids are protected and don't end up in trouble. And everything we do in my office, of all the things we do in my office, one thing we're dedicated is to make sure that children enter the criminal justice system as assistant district attorneys, as defense lawyers, as court clerks, court officers, and judges, and never as defendants. I gave a lot of thought to the expression progress through justice, and to me it stands for seeing and doing what is right and using those ideals to move forward into the future. All of these children have contributed in some way. Some have been monitors, they've tutored younger students, they've managed sports teams, they've performed in school choirs, they've served on safety patrols, and they've acted as role models to younger students. They do this with smiles on their beautiful faces while maintaining good grades and completing all their schoolwork. These students epitomize the ideals and goals of progress through justice and the award we give them. I'd like to lead the students in a pledge. So would you all stand? Good. I state your name. I hereby pledge and solemnly swear to uphold the ideals and objectives of the Progress Through Justice Citation of Honor, which is being bestowed upon me today. I will incorporate these ideals into my everyday activities and use them to make this world a better place to live. You are the leaders of the future. Now, I want you to turn around and applaud all those folks back there, your mothers and fathers and friends and teachers. I'm going to start awarding the certificates. Thank you all for coming. Have a wonderful day.
The first recipient we have is the youngest. He's graduating kindergarten, and his name is Kamari Jones. Now we start the middle schools. Ariana Richards. Kennelson Marcellin.
I'm a student, I get good grades, I'm a straight A student, and I also do after school activities. I help younger kids, I choreographed 3 dances this year. I did and participated in a big show, so that's why I think that I got this award, because I helped younger kids and I maintained my grade.
From elementary school is Chanel Santana. Matthew Masonette.
How do you feel today? I'm proud. I'm great. I feel so happy about her. She's excellent. Thank God. She's do a good job.
My name is Mary Windsor. My son is Marquise Cox, and I'm feeling fantastic. So happy that he got this award, and he's graduating.
She's a great girl, and she tries very hard, and she's always willing to help everybody else, right?
Mm-hmm.
So excited.
How are you feeling with Cameron's achievements?
I am so very proud of her this year. She's had so much things to do this year, and she did really well in school. She's done really well in her extracurricular activities, even her community service. So I'm very proud of her. I'm very proud of her. She got into her top choice middle school for next year, which is Scholars Academy, and I couldn't be more happier.
How was it meeting D.A. Hynes?
Oh, that was amazing. Because what he did for us, along with his partners, that just inspired me.
I feel very excited, and it's a very big opportunity to be in this place. And this made me this encouraged me more and more and to plan on my future.
I'm very proud. I'm proud of my son. This is something very encouraging for the kids, to do this for them. District Attorney Charles Hynes. It's very nice. They've been doing it for a long time now, and it's really nice. It helps the kids out. It does.
He has always been a very studious person. He's always excelled in school. He always put his best foot forward. And I feel that him receiving this award today is really his icing on his cake, because he's worked so hard for it since kindergarten.
I feel I'm in heaven today, because I don't know what kind of joy I got inside right now, because from kindergarten until now, every year is the same thing.
I believe passionately that children are our future, and these children, there's 680 of them this morning, are the folks who are going to shape our destiny for the next many decades. And so it's always a pleasure to be able to honor these extraordinary young children.
Thank you very much.